Then they scoop out the mash, put them in steel boxes, and here you see the oven, right? So he's been running a quite heavy fire in this oven, so it's really really warm. And then he stuffs the mash in there, and this mash is now saccharified, right? So it's full of sugar, and he produces a beer that looks like porter. But you have to remember that the color in porter comes from taking malt and roasting it, right? But you're roasting starch. That's not what he's done. He's toasting sugars. He's actually making caramel. He gets a completely different flavor from what you have in a porter. In fact, he gets a flavor that I would argue you can't get any other way. It's really a unique type of beer, and it's a whole different kind of black beer, basically. And 3 hours later, when the mash comes out, it looks like this. And now you see what I meant about the caramel, right? You see it on the side here. You just chop up this quite hard mash, dump it in, pour on hot water, and out comes a beer that looks like porter, right? But it doesn't taste like it at all. Why are people baking the mash in an oven, right? How did they come up with this insane idea in the first place? And while we're at it, why are these people not boiling their wort?